I am Prabhakaran speaking. Yeah, yesterday our USA President wife Barack Obama, sorry, Michael Obama has spoken to me, and Obama said, what Obama said? Obama want Hillary Clinton become a president of USA. You know Hillary Clinton, that is Hillary Clinton, wife of Bill Gates. She want to become a USA president. Coming September election 2016. Okay, I said, because I was very trustful and respectful and excellently managed with our USA two-time President Barack Obama and also Michael Barack Obama, our two daughters. In altogether, I want to say that they are my family friends. Barack Obama has helped me behalf of Tamil peoples in Sri Lanka. They given one good hospital, one library, and number of houses to the Tamil people. After 2009, the war ended by LTT with Sinhalese. Now the Sri Lankan people become very happy because I was approached that UK, Australia, Canada, Singapore, Malaysia, Africa, even Dubai, all together 25 countries, altogether 25 countries in Geneva meeting in USA. I was strongly approached. You are treating Sri Lankan Tamilian people as a slave. That should be penalized so that you should treat fundamental democratic equal rights to the Sri Lankan people. They are in the slave in open cell. This is not what we call freedom of democracy, temple of democracy, and what we and more than every man have fundamental duties and rights. So it is accepted by the 25 countries in the Geneva meeting, and they will pass a resolution that we will provide all rights. That is right to education, right to job, right to land, right to equality, right to vote, and right to elected by representative of MLA, MP, and also today one opposition leader become a Tamilians and one chief minister behalf of Tamilians in wherever Tamil group is there. It is one happy news I never forget in my entire life. Few people went Sri Lanka. Some educated people asked me, who is Prabhakaran? They said, who is Prabhakaran? We are asking in India, in Bangalore, one and only Prabhakaran. Who is that Prabhakaran? Who asked Sri Lankan Tamilians? Oh, that man is a god. He should alive. He has done so many welfare activities to the Sri Lankan Tamilian people. This is done by approaching our democratic rights in United Nations of Organization and Geneva and all other countries participating in the Geneva. They are supported by 25 countries to the India because of I was live with the TV, live with the people, live with the leaders, live with the countries, and everything is spoken them. I get that freedom to the Sri Lankan Tamilians. Not only that, whenever Narendra Modi, Honorable Indian Prime Minister visits Sri Lanka, he is opening 18,000 houses. That moment, the all people are grand welcome to the Narendra Modi. Again, Narendra Modi said that behalf of Indian government will be again constructed 17,000 houses to the Sri Lankan Tamils who have been suffered in the war. It is happy news, very happy news. And also Narendra Modi has spoken, Tamil people should not treat as a slave, they must be give fundamental democratic equal rights of temple of democracy, freedom to the Tamil people. This is only one man set in so far, and I think before I don't know, on after, before that we should salute. Some digital India and online India, the connecting high level people, that is BJP government did very good job. That is why our one and only superstar Rajinikanth has followed in Kapali, his dress and makeup. And says one day like, hey, நீ எரியணுன்னு நான் நெருப்பா சூட்டு கொட்டு போட்டுட்டே இருப்பேன்டா. That means you should become angry. Seeing me, I will wear always should good dress. Because he is not interested. Rajinikanth is not interested in the politics. I never say anything more. God is love. Love is God. People is love. We want unity in diversity. Because Tamil group is an international community. They live in each and every country. But I said that they have one dignity in the language of Tamil. Chola's period. The beginning era. The Chola went in India all over the states. He built the temples and went ultimately to the Everest and he flagged the Tamil Chola flag in the first generation. That type of dignity people in all over in world are living. That name should not be what? The dignity people name should not be harmful and should not get bad name. What we say is that in terrorists and anti-activities, that and all we don't want, because in USA number of number of scientists are Tamilians and number of Iyengar family are Tamilians, number of higher position are Tamilians. Not only USA, in Singapore, Tamil is official language, Malaysia, Tamil is official language, in Sri Lanka should be, that will be brought. Why I am saying this? Our Michael Obama said Obama want become and become a president of USA. I put a one condition because Bill Gates always supports Bangalore. He never supports Tamil Nadu. I don't know why. Before I put a one condition, we will select Hillary Clinton as a USA president, but you must help us wherever Tamil people living in world, they get democratic rights. They want equal rights. That is right to education, right to live, right to enforce of court of law, right to land, right to live, right to fight each other for their own legal activities. Such you should accept. Moreover, you must help us. Social welfare activities, college, hospital, libraries, education, that free rendering service to the people. Wherever we approach in the world. I never ask anything. Terrorist activities and illegal activities and all that we don't want. We want social activities, social welfare measure. That is right. We want first education. We want job, employment. We want right to live, shelter. We want education, college. This and all we need. Education of it is a trade center. They are buying for the 50 lakhs for MBBS seat and 20 lakhs per IIT. That and all not. If I ask for any education purpose, social welfare purpose, you should ready to donate me. We will select us as a president. First term. This condition you must agree. Because this was already I said. Obama said we have so many problems in our country, their country, that is USA country. That is why they are denying. But Michael Obama said, you come and meet me in states, we will help you. That and all, not wherever you should help. You must donate for welfare of the activities. For other than welfare activities, you don't donate at all. You don't need anything at all. Because you are a world cheap president. I know that US is providing for World Trade Organization, World Health Organization, World Welfare Activation for the people to the people. Free food, free education, and what you call even free job, and your culture, etc. And free hospital, free education. This and all you are providing. And World Trade Organization, you will be giving right to food to the Indian people. That I much honor. The World Trade Organization, you will be give retail to the food. That and also I will be appreciate. Thanks a lot. In World Health Organization, you also providing medicine to the India. That also will I appreciate. Right way, right path, right to the people. You must tell for us. Everybody knows that without Obama, I can't think how next another 5 years. Because such a great work he did. Whatever I asked, he did except donating for opening one management college. Such a grateful personality. September, then October onwards, we are missing. I don't want to miss because they are supporting you, Hillary Clinton. As well as you must support me. I am Prabhakaran. N. Prabhakaran. I did 2 master graduate, 2 postgraduate, and 1 PhD. But it should be used for all the people. In my place, also other place, also all world. This is very, very important. You must do it. That's all. It is not a politics. Kindly remember, it is not a politics. It is welfare of the society. This Prabhakaran is meant for welfare of the society. Dignity of the people. Dignity of my language, that is international language of Tamil group people. They have one dignity. That is education and pilgrims, yoga and temple and hospital and welfare of the one particular city, education, library, etc. This must, if you agree to give